All right, here's another type of compound inequality whenever you have two inequality signs. Okay, this is going to be kind of similar to the and inequality. So two inequality signs. It's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. Basically, you have a left, middle, and the right, where is when you normally solve an inequality, you have a left side and a right side. Here you have a left, middle, and the right. And so your goal is to get x by itself in the middle. So the first step is to distribute in the middle. Whoops, it's going to be 6 minus 3x. Okay, now next I want to get x by itself in the middle, so I'm going to subtract 6, and so when I subtract 6, I do it from the left, middle, and the right. So anytime you do an operation, you got to do it from the left, middle, and the right. So you're down $3, you lose 6 more, now you're down 9, negative 3x, that's 6. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by negative 3. So whenever I do it left, middle, and the right. The other thing too is that anytime you divide by a negative, you have to flip the inequality signs. So I have to flip the inequality signs. So I'm at 3, instead of being less than or equal to, it'd be greater than or equal to x. And then x, instead of being less than, be less than negative 2. Now, I don't like doing it looking at it like this. So I'm going to put probably having the smallest number first and the biggest number second, and x in the middle. And so when you do that, you got to flip the inequality. So that'll be a less than, that'll be a less than or equal to, okay? So there's the solution set. They're solving. Now, graphing on these is really easy. So here's how you graph it. X is bigger than negative 2, and it's less than or equal to 3. So what does that mean? It means it's between negative 2 and 3. So I'll put negative 2 here. I'll put 0, and I'll put 3. So negative 2, at negative 2, it's a less than, so it doesn't have an equal to, so it's going to be open. This one's going to be closed, so that's closed, that's open. Okay, and then when you shade in between. Shade in between. So anything that's what's greater than negative 2 and less than or equal to 3, any value in that region, including 3, not including negative 2. There's my answer.